Hello everybody, it's been a while. Welcome to another edition of WOWMakers. Today I have someone I've been wanting on the show for a long time, Kent Koster with the Purchase District Health Department. That's a mouthful. And he is the, tell me your title again?
Public Health Director.
Public Health Director, such an important part of our community. And I think so many people don't realize all of the things that the Purchase District Health Department does. So I thought we'd talk about it. You know, when I think of the health department, I think about bringing my daughter in for vaccines, or she did a trip to El Salvador and she had to get travel vaccines. But that is such a small part of what you do. So tell us what all you do, what all you offer.
Yeah, well, before we get into that, could I actually kind of talk about the Purchase District Health Department and what it is and how it's made up?
Yes.
Okay, I think that would help people to understand, because it's kind of confusing to a lot of people as to what is a Purchase Health Department, because a lot of the counties within the state of Kentucky have their own individual health departments, like Graves County Health Department, or Callaway County Health Department, or Marshall County Health Department. But when you talk about Purchase District Health Department, it involves 5 counties, which includes McCracken and Ballard and Carlisle, Hickman, and Fulton.
There are locations in each of those 5 districts, but you oversee all of those.
Yes. So, you know, if I'm in Ballard County and I start thinking about the health department, it's like, and I hear the Purchase District Health Department, it's like, well, I've got my health department's in Ballard. It's a Ballard County Health Department. So it's always been kind of difficult to get the message out to the residents, you know, of each county as to how that's made up.
Yes.
But you asked the question about what services we provide, and we do provide a wide range of services that you wouldn't even expect unless you're involved in public health. But the clinical services that we provide, of course, immunizations, and that's what many people think the health department mainly does, is immunizations. We do immunizations for adults and for children, and you can get on our website and you can see what immunizations we provide. We also can show you for what immunizations are recommended, and also what immunizations are required, like by the schools and whatnot. And then, of course, we offer some pediatric services, well child exams, fluoride varnishing, lead poisoning prevention, and child development. And then, of course, we have access to vital records. We can show the public how they can access their vital records, like birth certificates, death certificates. We don't keep those on file, you know, at the health department. Those are all maintained, you know, at the state level. But there's a process that you can go through to obtain those by going to the website, and you can see the links we've got provided, you know, to go there. So our website is, you know, has a wealth of information. If you would like to go there and see what all we do. Oral health, we started this program a few years ago, and we call it the Floss and Gloss program. And we have public health dental hygienist. We don't have a dentist, but we go into the schools, and we go into about 30 schools in the Purchase District, and we provide cleanings, SDF applications, teledentistry, sealant applications. And then we have a Kids Smile program that provided for children 0 to 12 years of age, and it's fluoride varnish application, and that's applied at the health departments. We have a WIC program, WIC program, and it's a special nutrition program for women and infants and children. And the main goal is to protect or improve the health and nutritional status of pregnant, postpartum, and breastfeeding women, infants and children up to age 5. And then another program we have is called the HANDS program, and that stands for the Health Access Nurturing Development Service. And this is actually a home visitation program where we have people who are trained that go into the homes of for moms and dads and families, and they provide information on prenatal care, nutrition, safety, and child development. Family planning, these are services that help you to have children when you want them. We do a breast cancer screening program, a cervical cancer screening program, a colon cancer screening program, and then tuberculosis. Once a person's been identified in our service area that has tuberculosis, then we have to follow up with them and provide control activities. We do TB testing, TB assessment, disease surveillance, and administration observation of drug therapy. And then, of course, we do STD, HIV testing. And then, getting away from clinical services, we have an educational team. And they provide outreach and education services. Some of that is substance abuse, educational awareness, tobacco prevention, education, cessation classes, diabetes classes, nutrition, and physical education. And then we also have something, again, that people might know of. Some things we do in that area, but not others. But when you go into a restaurant, this is our environmental team. When you go into a restaurant, you'll see a rating on their door that they have to post there.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So you do that. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, we do that. So we go in and we provide, we provide the inspections and the permits for all food service establishments, which include restaurants, delis, cafeterias, community kitchens, grocery stores, concession stands, and private club kitchens.
You know what? I did know that because our ice cream truck was one of those that did have to meet the health standards. I forgot about that. Okay. Yes. That is a big project all on its own.
Yeah, because food trucks have gotten a lot more popular. So, we do a lot of permits, for food trucks. And a lot of those are permitted through the state as well.
So if someone's watching today and they have a health need, could be a variety of things based on the services that you offer, how would they know if they qualify or if you could help them?
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, first of all, people need to realize that we're in the prevention business.
I see.
My previous career over 33 years was in the acute care arena, taking care of sick people. So when I came to this position, it's more preventing people from getting sick.
Yeah, that's an important distinction.
It is. So that's what our main focus is on, is prevention and protecting and promoting, services. So
your website's obviously a great source for information of what services you offer and information about what that involves.
Right. So, if you've got the flu, you don't come to the health department.
Right.
If you got COVID, you don't come to the health department. We want to provide those vaccines to you in order to prevent you from getting that. But if there's any questions that you have about if you qualify for any services, there are phone numbers on our website that you can call. And
we're going to provide that here. We'll put it up on the screen so people can visit the website. But it is critical information. It's critical services you offer, and we're grateful. Public health has been at the forefront of information. I think over the last few years, we've seen more and more of how important that is. So we appreciate that so much.
I believe, we got a lot more attention, of course, when COVID came along.
Well, and I've seen you a lot over the years because you provide information to help all of us understand what's going around and how we can protect ourselves.
Yep.
So that's how you became a famous star around town. And we appreciate the relationship with Paducah Bank.
Yeah. And we really do too. Y'all are a great bank and have provided for all of our needs as far as banking
that's wonderful.
services. So
that's wonderful. So we're here for you.
Thank you.
And we're glad that you're here for all of us. So thanks to everyone for tuning in. And again, if you want to learn more about the Purchase District Health Department, and we encourage you to do so, visit the website address here and check out to see what all they offer and the valuable. And if you see one of them, be sure to say thank you. Have a great day.